Okay, let me tell you about the truth about AI, because nothing changed. And everybody is claiming that you can make so much more money with selling AI services, selling AI bots, agents, whatsoever, automations, but nothing changed. So let me put it into a picture. It's the same as you surfing, but just in a different country. You're just surfing in a different region on the world. And so when you are still offering SMMA services, lead gen services, any creative services towards businesses, the needs of the businesses are still the same. So let me share my screen. So AI didn't change about what businesses are buying. It only changed how we as agency owners are delivering the service. So actually when ChatGPT came out and the first AI agents came out, I already implemented those into businesses and made a very good amount of money, but I didn't knew that I actually had an AI business. So I created this visual board. From left till right, from service, action, visibility, leads, conversion, and result. So the clients still want more money and they still want more time. Nothing changed because AI came out. You can just deliver those in a better way. So if you're doing video editing alone, only thumbnails or only scripts, then you actually have a problem, because we as an agency, we offer to, for example, I make still a very good amount of money by scaling YouTube channels for businesses. We actually take care of the whole YouTube chain. So we tell them what to shoot. We take over the editing, we take over the publishing, and we take over the shorts editing. And therefore we also build the backend with AI. So there's much more we take over and have in our control. So the client can have more content. Therefore they get way more eyeballs, more trust. Therefore, they get more requests and more sales calls, and this lean into more money and more time. So the only thing you need to focus on is to make more for your client, getting them more content, better content, more eyeballs, and therefore more requests, more calls. This is the only thing they care about. It's not about fancy automations. It's only about, does this thing gets them more clients or not for less money that they make from this client. So this is the only thing you should care about when you have an SMMA. Then lean towards these points I told you in the beginning about, because I'm actually making money like this. I implemented those systems already years back when ChatGPT came out. I think it's already over 2 years ago. So we write the scripts with AI, we edit the videos with AI, we re-edit the videos with AI so we can repost them on Instagram and the short content platforms. We build landing pages with AI. Therefore, we have AI automations to book even sales calls from Instagram. When we build comment automations as well, AIs, they're involved. So all of the AI stuff is only there to lean into these points which are actually important or have been always important, which is more money, more time at the end of the day. So you watch this video, probably you are an agency owner. I have a system which books me every week clients such as these, which pay me thousands of dollars, euros per month. And when you want to have the system, I actually broken down the whole system for free in a video. It's the first link in the description, where I break down the whole system, how we get actually with AI clients booked into my calendar so we can offer them SMMA services, AI services. So click the first link in the description and then we see each other in the next video. Bye-bye.